Hey everyone, Whitman Barnes here with Parker Offshore. We've got this brand new 294 Fathom. It's packed with a bunch of standards and new options that we've got going on. Love to start with the outside of the boat. It's got a new two-tone hull with a black boot stripe. Also comes with Seakeeper Ride standard. Gonna make this boat ride amazing in any kind of chop. Has underwater light standard and is packed with digital 350 Yamahas on the back. Love to go inside and take a look with you, and we'll show you around. This boat is packed with a bunch of new features that I'm really excited about. Starting at the front, we've got this new Garmin Kraken trolling motor. It's got a 60 amp lithium battery that it's powered by. All the power you need for a full day of trolling or on the reef. So this comes down the gunnel when you want it stored, but this new shuttle slide pivoting mount actually makes it really easy to pivot it out, deploy it out, use it, and when you're done, pivot it back, and you can lock it away, and so it doesn't move along the gunnel. A great feature that makes it so easy, and that's one of the things we were focused on when we came out with all these new features. Ease of use. We've got new rod holders. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up here. A bunch of places to put rods. We've got new cup holders that can hold slim cans and regular cans. Another one, we have this new brown stitching with this Parker Deco logoing. It's really custom to your boat. Nobody else has it. We're really excited to offer it. We also have this Evercore flooring. It's made of cork material. It's got the same properties as EVA. It's more durable, longer lasting, and has a better warranty. Dog claws don't do anything to it. You can use a pressure washer on it, and fish blood has no chance. It is a great product to add to your boat. We're also offering the Sionix Night Wave camera. It's a great camera to have that runs straight to your MFD. Makes running at night or in low light really easy. You can see out in front of you. You feel safe when running. And if that's not enough, we're also offering this Black Oak 30-inch light bar. It'll light up anything in your path so you feel safe running at night. I know for me, running offshore early mornings to get to the spot first, it's important to be able to feel safe while you're running as well. Another thing we've added this year, we've got these under-gunnel rod storage on each of the 4 gunnels. The front ones will offer you space for up to 8-foot rods. In the back, 6'6". And on your port side, you can put your gaff or your net. Great for any kind of storage. Another thing we've changed in this boat is the T-top. This thing has been completely redesigned. You've got these rear stanchion legs that you see behind you. These Kingfish rod holders adds more rod storage, more security to your T-top, another handhold when you're running around. This boat features twin 16-inch Garmins, a standard helm pad with wireless charging. The consoles of these boats have been completely redesigned for better ergonomics for the end user. Going to the back of the boat, we added 5 standard transom rod holders. This boat specifically has 38 rod storage options, so all your rods can fit on this boat. As you can see, this boat is built for family and fishing. Go check us out today at our website, build your own, parkerboats.com.